Hi, welcome to Musaffa. My name is Nafis and I'm going to be giving you guys a short product tour on how to use the Musaffa platform. To get started, click Sign Up. You can either enter your email or continue with Google. It's a very short process, so why don't you get started? Once you've filled out your information, you'll get to this page, the pricing page. If you're just starting out and this is the first time you're just checking us out, feel free to sign up for free. Now, once you're inside the platform, you're going to be taken to the stock screener page. As you can see, since you're on the free version, you have 5 searches remaining. Every month you'll be given 5 searches until you upgrade to premium. On the stock screener page, you can select which country stocks you want to screen. You can filter by sector and industry as well. On the stock screener, you can see this list of stocks. You can scroll through and find the stock you want to look for. Alright, now let's look at the Etf screener. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Funds. Over here we list all the ETFs that are supported by the Musaffa platform. By clicking an ETF, you can find out more information about the ETF and also the Shariah-Compliant standing. Alright, let's get back to the stock screener and look deeper into Apple. As you can see, Apple stock is halal. You can look at the screening report and check out why Apple is halal. You can see that Apple passes all 3 of our Sharia screening process, including the revenue breakdown, the interest-bearing securities and assets, and also the interest-bearing debt screening. Okay, now let's get back to this page. We provide a lot of information about the stock itself. You can look at the chart. You can look at related news. You can look at company profile and certain metrics. You can look at the analyst ratings, press releases, and other related stocks and alternatives to Apple. If you like a stock, you can add it to your watch list. So let's create a new watch list. As you can see, we've created a new watch list, and now let's add Apple to this list. We can go to the watch list tab, and here you go. It says that we have one in here, and Apple. Under the watch list, you could also look at the related news to keep updated with the stocks in your watch list. Now, let's say you want to delete a stock from your watch list. Simply click delete and the stock will be deleted. Now, let's search a stock. So you can either search the ticker or the name of the stock. I'm going to search the company Tesla. There you go, Tesla Inc. listed on the NASDAQ. And here it is. This is Tesla. You can see that it has 5 stars out of 5, which is the highest Sharia compliance on the Musaffa platform. So I'm going to add this to my watch list that I created. And there you go. That's how you use the Musaffa platform. And don't forget, if you have any further questions, feel free to contact us through the support chat. If you want to email us, contact us at info@musaffa.com. Assalamu alaikum and have a great time exploring the Musaffa platform.